show you how to take out the cube root of a number in 5 seconds. So, this can be done through a trick called as estimation, and I'm going to teach you that trick. It can be done for 4 to 5 digit numbers. For example, let's take the example of the number 1, 3, 3, 1. We all know that its cube root is 11, so we don't need to retaliate. So let's put a dash here and a dash here because we are taking out the cube root, and cube means 3 and 3 also means triplets. So it is 3331 are 3 digits. There are 3 numbers here. So that is why we put a dash over 3 numbers. If it would be a square root, we would put over 2 numbers. If it is raised to the power 4, then we put it over 4 numbers. It is like that. But currently we are just doing it for cube roots. So as we see, we have put the dash for 3 as it is a cube root, and 1 dash here because it is the only remaining number. Here, what we have to see is that this last number, the ending number, which is 1, goes with what number? So, obviously, 1 cube is 1. So, we put 1 here. And then what again? And now what we need to check is that between which number cubes does 1 occur? It occurs between the numbers of 1 and 2. So we always take the smaller number. So it's 1. So as we know, 11, our answer is correct. So let's try for another number. Take the number to be 6, 8, 5, and 9. Sometimes what happens when we get weird numbers, we get confused in the exam and in the test as we start calculating, and we go to heights like number 25, 26, even 30, sometimes 19s, 18s, which becomes very difficult for us, and it also wastes a lot of time. So by what we actually do by finding it by estimation, we come to know what the actual cube root of the number is going to be. Like now I will show you, it's coming as 9. So we know that 9 nines are 81, and 81 into 9 is equals to 729. So it's ending with 9. So 9 cube ends with 9. So we put directly the number 9 here. And 6 cube. So it occurs between 1 cube and 2 cube because 1 cube is 1 and 2 cube is 8. So 6 occurs between it. So we will put it as 1. So then actually basically what we come to know is that 6859 is divisible by 19. So obviously 19 will be the factors dividing 6859. Like I will show you on the calculator. We divided by 19, we get 361. Again we divide by 19, we get 19, and again by 19 we get as 1. So therefore 6859 is the cube of 19. So this is a very good way to check for big numbers. Now this was 4 digit. Now I'm going to show you for 5 digits. So let's take a number. Let me check what number I can take. 1 second, huh? Let's take 22 into 22 into 22. 10,648. Perfect. So 10,648. We put the dash and we put the dash. 8 ends with 2. So directly put 2. And 10, what occurs between 10? 1 and what? 1 and 3. 3 threes are 27. Yeah. 3 threes are 9 and 9 threes are 27. So no, it comes between 1 and 2. So like for example, in like it's coming like the number 10 is coming. So we see between which numbers does it occur. Here in this case, we will never take 1 cube when it comes to 5 digits. Always for 5 digits, we see the one smaller. So what comes? 2 and which number? It comes between the number 2 and it comes between the number 3. So we see that the number 2 will come. Why? Because it is the smallest number before it. Because for 4 digit we only because for 4 digit the 4 digit are only the basic ones. Because in cubes when we multiply normal numbers like 2 digit numbers we get a 4 digit number. But when we come to 5 digit cube root, the rule changes. What happens while we are taking out a 5 digit number cube is that we don't need to take the smallest number dividing like that. If we take the smallest number, then what will happen is all our answers will go wrong if we take our smallest numbers. The smallest numbers are only applicable for the cube roots while we are taking out cube roots of 4 digits, but for 5 digits we need to see the little smaller one and the higher one. So it occurs between 2 and 8. Hence, we take 2. Some short notes for this trick are I'm just writing them on the notepad and I even dictate them to you. First, while taking out the cube of a 4-digit number, always we take 1, 2, whatever comes, and the second point, while we take the cube of a 5-digit number, we see the middle number and the after number. Hence, we always choose the number before or the first number, which is in our example 8. I'm even going to show you another example of it. Like, for example, let me take another number also for you to make the concept more clear. Let's take for 23. What is 23 into 23 into 23? It gives us 12, 1, 6, 7. So 12, 1, 6, 7. 12, 1, 6, 7. So let's see for 12, 1, 6, 7 now. I'm showing you now. 12, 1, 6, 7. I like changing pens in between. Yeah. What does 7 end with? 7 sevens are 49. No. 7 ends with 3. 3 threes are 9 and 9 threes are 27. So 3. And what does go between 12? Now, as I told you, 1 to hoega hi nahi. 1 won't go. It will always be the second number and the next number. So 2 twos are 2 cube is 8 and 3 cube is 27. So again it will be 2. So therefore our question is solved. Thank you for watching, and if you have any doubts you can always post it on my page. Whenever I look through my page, I will help you to clear your doubts. Have a nice day.